Welcome to the Canadian School of Natural Nutrition's Healthy Eating and Lifestyle Certificate Workshops. My name is Nair, and today I will be sharing with you a little sneak peek of what this incredible 10-week workshop series is all about. Let's talk healthy digestion and gut health. It's not only about the nutrients we eat, but what we absorb. We will be looking at how our digestive capabilities sets a tone for the health of our body systems. This is also known as a cascade effect to health. Topics range from the function of our digestive organs, digestive enzymes, and gastric acid, and also understanding how to optimize and modulate our digestive pathways through allopathic and holistic means.